Hi everyone, welcome to Captals Explainer series. This is your host John from Captals, and today's explainer video will take you through the invoice process that you can get a readout in a Captals CRM solution. The process starts with while signing into your account with your credentials, your email address, your password. So after signing in, it will redirect you to the Capitals main dashboard. Then you will click on CRM button on the left side. Then you can click on transaction and the invoice button. Here you can see all the previous records of invoice that you have created for your company account. Then you will click on add record button. So this is the main page for creating an invoice while using Capital CRM. The first option is the invoice number, the date. It will be automatically selected by the CRM. Here you can select the due date as per your requirement. Then you will scroll down to other options where you can select the contact like the receiver name. Here you can add any memo as per your requirement. And here you can select the list of items for which you are creating the invoice. Here you can select the item name, add the price, quantity, add any discount, and here is the total cost. You can click on add item button to add any other item as per your need. The price, the quantity, the discount, and the total cost. And here you can scroll down to the bottom where you can see the option of custom field. Here you can add any custom field if you want. Then there is the subtotal, the discount, and the total. While scrolling up, you can select the payment method, and you can here see the preview of your invoice that you have created and can see if any correction is required by your side. Well, you can preview it from here and you will click on the send invoice. So you have successfully created your invoice. Now you can check your email for the invoice link. Here you can also print the invoice for your own personal record, and you can click on print so that you can download it and then print it, so you can save it as a hard copy as well. So that's all for today's tutorial video. We will see you from another update. Thank you.